Hello and welcome. So this is Kuda. I'm the creator of the Bitcoin for Beginners course. A lot of people have been asking this question: what do I learn or what do I benefit from being part of the Bitcoin for Beginners course? The first thing that you get once you actually sign up is I'll give you $10 worth of Bitcoin so that you can actually practice and monitor the Bitcoin price going up and going down. So this is a little video of what we actually introduction to the video, and this is the page that we are giving out to people as an overview about the course. So let's look at what you learn. You learn what is Bitcoin, why use Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin mining, how to create a wallet, Bitcoin charts, is Bitcoin legal, how to earn Bitcoins, ways to avoid scam, how to buy and sell Bitcoins, send and receive Bitcoins, how a Bitcoin transaction works, and there is so much more that I'll be sharing with you. And a lot of people as well, they've been asking me, where do we conduct the training? The training is an online based training. It has got clear presentations, there is a great knowledge base, and you can actually learn from home at your own pace. And all you need, there is a community whereby I will be answering some questions which show you just now. And just for you to see the people that I've actually worked with, there is a number of people that have shared some testimonies on my page, and there's Mel from Jamaica, Vanessa from Zimbabwe, Stuart from Uganda, Marie from Cameroon, and the other testimonies. It's amazing. And there is more testimonies of people that have actually helped, who share their profit that they've made from just learning Bitcoin. And what is required to get started? All you need is a computer and internet access, nothing else that is required besides that. And you can actually check out these websites for some of the other frequent asked questions. And for just one-time payment of $77, you can get access to all that. So let me just show you inside the website. So the first thing that you do when you get to our website is, when you register, we're going to send you an email so that you can get access to the course. You click on the members login, and it's going to take you to the place where you can actually log into our members area. The first thing that you do when you actually log into our members area, you come to a page like this, which has got a video which actually thanks you for being a member, and this video explains how to use and navigate the website. The website is pretty simple, and when you are done reading, you're going to click on access Bitcoin course, or you can actually click there. Once you click there, you're going to be taken to all the trainings that I've actually done from here, and there's quite a lot of things to learn. And our trainings are structured like this. This is actually the name of this training, and there is some text and some resources that I provide, and this is the video that I've actually done which explains about the goal setting. I know you need to make money from Bitcoin, but we need to get the goals in your mind at the right place first. And when you are done with the video, watching the video, all the videos, they are less than 10 minutes, so that you have so much time to absorb. But each video has got a homework and a task that you should actually complete. And when you complete, if you have any questions, just like other people that are actually commenting here, you can actually leave a comment of something that you are getting confused with, or the progress that you're actually making. These are the people I always reply, and my team as well, they're always on the go online to reply your messages. So number one, the training is online based, and if you can go back to the modules here, I've done quite a lot of modules here that can actually help you to kickstart your journey as to master Bitcoin. So these are all the trainings that I've actually done. It's quite a lot that I've actually done. It helps you to make informed decisions. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. That actually covers what I've created so that it can help you to understand Bitcoins better. With that being said, bye for now.